Hello friends, welcome. Today our recipe is a copycat of KFC fried chicken. The secret recipe of KFC fried chicken has never been revealed, but there are several copycat of this recipe. I have chosen one among them. For crispy chicken, I prefer the cold water method. So let's see how to prepare it. I have taken 2 cups of buttermilk and 750 grams of chicken. To the buttermilk, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients. Soak the chicken in buttermilk and refrigerate overnight. This makes the chicken tender and adds in more flavor. Next, we will prepare the flour mixture. To a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of corn flour, next goes in the spices. Two tablespoons of chili powder or paprika, 2 tablespoons of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. One tablespoon of ginger powder, one tablespoon of garlic powder, sprinkle a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of thyme. I'm only using oregano and thyme. You can also go for basil if you prefer. And finally, salt. Combine all the ingredients. After overnight marination, our chicken has turned soft and tender. Coat the chicken pieces with the flour. Once done, shake off the excess flour and dip the chicken in cold water. Allow to stay for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, take out the chicken and put it back to the flour. I prefer to have a thick coating, hence I will repeat the stage twice. You can also use egg and milk mixture instead of cold water. I have tried both the method, but the ice water method makes the chicken more crispy. Once done, arrange the chicken pieces in a dish. Repeat the same process for the remaining chicken. Now all the chicken pieces are ready to be deep fried. For deep frying, I prefer canola oil. You can also choose sunflower or peanut oil. Make sure the oil is well heated before frying. Don't overcrowd. Fry 1 or 2 pieces at a time. Fry for almost 6 minutes on both the sides. Gently flip the chicken pieces while frying. After frying for 10 to 12 minutes, the chicken has turned crispy. Remove from oil and set aside. Repeat the same with the remaining chicken pieces. Place the chicken on tissue to absorb excess oil. Our KFC style chicken is ready. You can serve it hot with tomato sauce and garlic sauce. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.